Hi everyone, I'm so excited today to talk to you all about the brand new Cricut Foil Transfer Kit. This thing is just going to let you embellish things like never before. There's foil transfer sheets in the 6x4 inch. There's also beautiful 12x12 sheets as well, or 30x30 centimeters. So sparkly, so shiny, just gorgeous. So let's open it up and see what we get in the pack. And that's what I really love about this pack. It includes absolutely everything for you to get started. You're even going to get 12 6x4 transfer sheets and all the tape that you'll need to be able to stick them down as well. There's a handy little get started kit, or guide rather. There are the transfer sheets. And of course, this super exciting tool. I love this tool for so many reasons. One, it matches all of my other blade housings. It's a gorgeous blue color. Here you can see you just press the button just like you would with any of the other blades, and you just pop in the fine point or the medium or the bold tip. And they've all got a line on them, which is 1, 2, or 3 lines. This is a little handy tip, I thought. Use a magnetic blade holder in your handy dandy storage compartment in your machine to store them. Now we're going to work on my first project. Cardstock typically is smooth on one side and textured on the other. I find I get the best transfer when I use the smooth side to transfer onto. Now we're selecting medium cardstock. It tells me exactly what I need in terms of tools. I am going to use a scoring stylus in this case, and the reason being that I just want to remind everyone that this is not just for the Maker, this is also for the Explore machines as well. So it's telling me what tools to load. Make sure you follow these instructions. I can't stress that enough. I did make a few mistakes along the way, and it was purely because things were a little bit different to what I was used to, and I just simply forgot to follow the correct steps. So I've put the stylus in. Now in my blade housing, I'm popping in the foil transfer tool, and then I'm just going to load in the mat. You can see I haven't got any foil on there just yet, because the first step, of course, for the card is we're going to score. So the scoring's been done, and it's telling me my next instructions. First and foremost, do not unload your mat, okay? Make sure that you've got the correct tip in with your foil blade or housing, and then you're going to stick down your foil with the handy dandy, again, adhesive strips that come with your pack, which is fantastic. There's enough tape, if you want to call it tape, to stick down all of the sheets that you get in a pack, which is just fantastic. So you don't need to worry about using it sparingly. You want to make sure that it's lovely and taut, that it's stuck well down, and it's not going to shift and it's not going to tear during the application process. So once again, we've already scored. Now we're doing the foil piece, and there we go. It's all done. You're going to eject that. It's telling us, well, we're not going to eject it rather. We're just going to let it come out to that next stage, and we're now going to remove that foil, and we're going to put in our fine point blade, because now we're going to do the cutting of our card. Another great feature of this kit as well, you can foil, draw, cut, deboss, perforate. You can do all of those weird and wonderful combinations that we love when we're doing our crafts, all in one easily designed process. And again, just follow those steps and it will tell you exactly what you need to do next. And I just love that, because as a card maker, this is just going to elevate my cards to the next level of my cardstock projects. And then we're just going to quickly cut out the insert for this particular card style, which is based on the Joy insert card designs, which are just super fun and super versatile, and I love kind of making them my own. So here we've got our beautifully foiled, glossy, shiny, permanent transfer of that gorgeous aqua foil onto the white cardstock. And we've scored it already, so we're just going to fold on the score line and get that professional card result that we love to get and that we come to expect, using my handy dandy, again, bone folder, just to make sure that's lovely and crisp. And there it is. And now we're just going to insert that card. And we have a beautiful, gorgeous personal card that we've designed for that special occasion or for someone special. And this really does elevate these cards or these types of projects to a whole nother level. Thanks for watching.